we've been interacting with the database Mongo using the Mongo client. And so if you have access, direct access to the database, this certainly is a way that you can look at the data directly and manipulate it. But more interesting might be for us to interact with this Mongo database, but programmatically, right? From maybe Node.js or Java, and we can automate different scripts and integrate it with a user interface with a middle tier. So let's go and do that. So what we're going to do is that we're going to go into a Node.js project that we have here, right? So let's go into cs4550 Janunzi server node. Once we're in there, we can install a library, a very popular library that we can use to connect to the Mongo DB database. So to do that, we're going to use the npm install Mongoose. So Mongoose is a nice, simple library that will make it easy for us to communicate with the Mongo database. So there it is. So it's installed. Now let's see how we can use it to connect to the database.